still on. We Hustle Daily. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another video, man. I'm on my way to Copart. I haven't even looked at the list on Copart, but again, like I told y'all in the last video, which I probably released another video with this video, or gonna release another video with this video. Y'all get what I'm trying to say. I probably released 2 videos today, but I don't even know what they got on the list out here at Copart, but I'm gonna go over here because I was already over here. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell if you want your certificate in the mail. Yeah, I've been sending them out. I've been sending certificates out. I don't know if y'all got y'all's yet. Y'all let me know in the comments below if y'all got y'all certificates yet. If y'all hit the notification bell, y'all let me know. You know what I'm saying? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, wehustledaily.co, if y'all haven't already. Boy, I be cracking myself up, man. And make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com, man, if y'all want to learn how to check out these whips, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if it don't be a whole lot of stuff at Copart. That's the only thing, like, you know, because y'all know I be messing with the clear titles. I don't really mess with salvage title cars, so it don't be a whole bunch of stuff. You know, that's the only problem. But I'm gonna look on the list on my way over here, and I'm gonna see if there's anything even to check out. But if not, we're still gonna do the walk around. You know what I mean? Because we're over here, might as well. But yeah, y'all want to learn how to check out these cars, man, go to wehustledaily.com. I'm gonna show y'all how to pick out cars. I'm gonna show y'all how to not get scammed by the auction jug to buy the auction. Basically, get sold a limit. You know, it's not that they ain't scam you. You just didn't know what you was doing. For real. So, you know, a lot of y'all I be seeing a lot of y'all. That's another thing. Why y'all be buying on? You know, well, I never understood this, but you know, if your pocket's deep, then you can do that. But why y'all be buying? I need to trade that change in, because that joint just be jingling and jangling. But why y'all be buying sight unseen though? You know, that's what messes up y'all money right there. When y'all be buying sight unseen, then y'all get the car and it be, you know, something that y'all didn't think it was, because you can't really tell how a car is if you just buying it online without checking it out. Like, I just advise all of y'all just, you know, don't check them unless you got some deep pockets, you know. But I advise all of y'all to check them cars out, because you just never know what you're gonna get, you know. Like, I don't know, I really don't care how much money I got. I think I'm always like at least go check the car out, like for real, you know. Like, the car could have 30,000 miles on it and I still would want to go check it out, you know, because stuff be looking different in them pictures, trust me, you know. I learned my lesson from doing that like early on. I haven't done it again. So, but again, we're on our way to Copart. Let me look at this list and see what they got today. All right, I guess I can start the video off by talking about this Honda Civic right here. I mean, Accord. It was one that I'm not sure if y'all got this video before that one. Y'all should have, but it was one with the front end damage, messed up. It was an IAA, and it needed a fender and a headlight. So it had 138 on the miles. It was this same color, but it had the steel wheels instead of the aluminum wheels. I'm pretty sure this is the 4-cylinder. Yeah, because it only got one pipe going out the back. So yeah, so same body style. It was a 07. Like I said, I think y'all have seen that video already. 138 on the miles, and the car went for 33 out the door. 3,300. Y'all think that was worth it? Had the same interior and everything. 33 out the door, but y'all gotta remember what the damage looked like. I probably slide some pictures right here. Hold on, right now. All right, so what do y'all think? That car, you know, y'all think it was worth it for the 34 out the door or not? This one got 263 on the mile. Oh, this is a 07 too, but it just don't got the aluminum wheels. But what do y'all think? Y'all think that was worth it or not? Same color, everything, man. But for 33 out the door, you know, and it needed to work. So if I would have paid, the next bill was 34, so I would have had to be 3,400. So 3,400 out the door. for me, plus the fender and the headlight, which the headlight would have been cool, but just matching up the fender probably would have been a little bit of an issue, but not too much on eBay, you know. At the junkyard, it probably would have took me a while. Sorry for the wind, but y'all let me know if y'all think that was worth it or not. And continue on over here. Y'all remember this truck? So it sold for 15 out the door. I think that's like 16, 17, 18, 19 or close to it. So let's just say 19 out the door. Do y'all think that this truck was worth it? I know y'all probably remember this from my walk around I did, but you know, I don't know. Y'all think it was worth it? Oh yeah, it's a 1997 with 50,000 miles on it. That's right, you heard me, 50,000 miles. I know y'all watch my videos, y'all have seen this truck, but yeah, what do y'all think about it? Let me show y'all the interior. But as you can see, that it was rusty. It was rusty, dusty, all right there. So, and paint faded and everything. It's a 97. I know I talked to y'all about this in a live video before, but y'all who be tuning in every single day. But 50,000 miles on this joint. Do y'all see it? Let me see. Yeah, 50,000. So let's see if it'll crank up. But it already sold though. But y'all think it was worth 19? No power. What the hell? I can't even get the key out of that joint. But y'all think it was worth it, and the AC didn't work. Now I know it got 50,000, but at 19, with the way it looked, I wasn't really sure if I can get my money's worth. So I just let it pass, you know, I just let it go, you know. So let's keep it moving though. Got the Subaru STI. Got some body kit on this joint. Oh, look how they did that. They wrapped that joint in the Hello Kitty. Guess it was a girl car. Maybe not. Hold on. And then they did the Batman right here. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of like that, for real, for real. And then the front, they just got red. Got another red over there. Looks like it's gonna crank up, stick shift with the Wolverine. Got the TV. What year is this joint? 2006. And you got some type of button over there and all that. Check out the wheels sitting on them 18s. Might have been a girl car, but she was doing it big, huh? She should have painted the brake calipers pink too, would have matched better. Cause she got the pink little sign right here. Got the big boy spoiler on the top. Damn. Got the big boy muffler on there. Got a little fake wide body going on. Y'all see it. She could have did this one too, the fronts. But STI. Excuse me. Boost. Boom. Get the boost on you, boy. The boost on you, boy. My bad. Damn. I gotta tell my partner about this joint right here. He might like this. Just a little boost. Air fuel boost. I don't even know what this do. This joint nice though. Damn, AC working, everything. My partner might like this one, man. I might have to tell him about this joint. Hit the gas. Alright, I gotta get in. Ooh. turbo got to build up. Yep, it's that same motor I was just talking about. Oh, that's the thing that's making a noise, the blowout valve. I think that's that making that noise. That little, I don't know. Got the pink right here. Got coilovers on it. My boy might like that one. It's straight. We'll check this one out, see if it's for sale or anything. Though, and the AC working, y'all, for real. Drink feel good. But yeah, man, I definitely like what she did with the Hello Kitty and the Batman back here. That's a nice little touch. Something you don't see every day. But yeah, man, we're gonna keep it moving and grooving. This car is not even on the list, I don't think. But I'm gonna see, you know, what it does, and I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Up, Houston, we have a problem. Check this out. Car is still on. The car is literally still on, y'all. Come on, dude. Maybe I gotta stall it out, you know? I don't freaking know. There we go. See ya. Had to stall that joint out. That was weird. That joint didn't even want to cut off, yo. So yeah, the oil light was on, and it didn't want to cut off. The little oil light was on. So I don't know, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about the Subaru STI. I think this is like the big boy, and he got the wing on there. Y'all see. All right, finally moving on. All right, over here by the new Accord. They still doing that hybrid BS, huh? Still doing that hybrid BS. Man, I like the new Accords. Now, I did see an Accord. I know I showed y'all this video already, but the Accord had the freaking red interior, like burgundy. That joint was hard. Like, this is something you can ride every day for sure. I just like it. It's plain and simple. Like, I don't know. I just like the new Honda Accords. They nice. I don't know if I would say I like them better than the new Toyota Camry, but it's just something about the Honda Accord. I don't know. This is a new one. This is the 2019. But it's a hybrid, though. Damn. Damn. The top came off that joint. The hood's still on there. It's like the top came off the hood. That's weird. Joint got the game systems and everything in here. Got everything you need. Basketball, everything. But what's the damage on this boy? I don't see it. I do not see it. I just like the way this one looks. Does it have a little? I ain't got no power. 81,000 miles on this joint. I don't think it got no power though. Ugh. Push to start, everything. See this ugly motor. You know they could have just left it. Disrespect this hood right here. Got them pearls in there flaking in it, and it's white. Yeah, little 4-cylinder, man. Hybrid though. Hybrid still trash. They ain't like they messing with them hybrids. But y'all see them pearls though. But see if we got something else today, man. They don't got jack squiddly diddly. But again, it's a lot of times you come out and you don't expect to see nothing, and then you see something, you know. So that's why it's always good to come out just sometimes. I mean, all the time, really. But I be seeing cars, but when I be seeing them and I try to bid on them, man. Oh, which I did win a car today. It's just on call. Gotta see if they give me the damn car. What is this joint? Damn! They can tow this joint up. 1984 Suzuki stick shift. The bed all took on this joint. I wanna have this happen. Got hit in the back or what? Yeah, I got hit in the back for sure. Damn! Probably was riding that boy. Kia Soul. Haven't had one of these. This is the car responsible for messing up my damn car. What's special about these to me? They are alright. 2015. It's gonna crank up two damn spider whips. No power. Alright, man. Shit, they ain't got nothing in here, y'all. I'm sorry. They ain't got jack squiddly diddly in here. So, just like that, it is gonna be a wrap, man. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. It's gonna be a wrap out here, man. They ain't got nothing in here, man. So I'm just gonna get up out of here, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all hit the notification bell. Join the Hustle Nation. Feel like something in my nose. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, wehustledaily.co, and make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. Now stop playing. Don't mess up y'all money. I'm telling you, go to wehustledaily.com. I'm gonna show y'all how to pick out a good car. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. I gotta get up out of here. I'm gone. Peace.